In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make customers inactive in QuickBooks Online if your customer list has gotten long or includes profiles you no longer work with. Making a customer inactive is a clean, reversible way to tidy things up. It hides the customer from your active lists and prevents new transactions from being created for them, while keeping all their historical data intact for reports and audits. Think of it as archiving, not deleting. First, open QuickBooks Online in your web browser and sign in to the correct company. Give the page a moment to load so all your menus are ready. Having the right company selected is important so you don't make changes in the wrong file. Next, go to the Customers area. Depending on your layout, you may see it labeled as Customers under Sales or Get Paid and Pay. You're looking for the list that shows all your customer profiles. Once you're there, you'll see a table of names along with balances and recent activity. Now choose the customer you want to inactivate. If your list is long, use the search bar to quickly find them by name or sort the list alphabetically. Before you proceed, take a quick moment to confirm you've got the correct profile, especially if you have similarly named customers or known duplicates. If you're cleaning up duplicates, pick the one you truly want to hide and keep the record that has the most complete history. When you've selected the right customer, open the drop-down menu next to their name, this is often in the Actions column, and click Make Inactive. QuickBooks may display a confirmation message. Read it so you know exactly what will happen. The customer will no longer appear in your active customer lists, and you won't be able to create new transactions for them unless you reactivate them later. If QuickBooks alerts you about unbilled activity, estimates, or retained balances, that's just a heads up. Review those items if needed so you're comfortable proceeding, then confirm to complete the change. That's it. The customer is now inactive. Their past invoices, payments, and reports remain available, so nothing is lost. You've simply decluttered your working list. If you ever need to bring them back, you can change the filter on your customer list to show inactive customers, open their profile, and make them active again. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Consider inactivating customers you haven't transacted with in a long time to streamline searches and data entry and make these updates during a quiet time of day so no one is creating transactions for that customer mid-change. You've just learned how to make customers inactive in QuickBooks Online with confidence and clarity.